Hey guys, Namaste and welcome back to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. In today's CSS session, we are going to learn how to give a shadow effect for any text or a box web elements inside our web page. By using this shadow effect in our web pages, we can create our web elements very attractive. So to learn how to give the shadow effect for our web elements, please keep watch our video till end. And before we start, if you still haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that it will be notified whenever we publish our new session video. So let's begin today's session. And first, let's give the shadow effect for any text element. For this, let's create one H1 element. And let's align it to the center. Now let's give the shadow for our H1 text. For this, inside our style tag, in the H1 element, we have a property text shadow. And inside this shadow property, to give the shadow for our text, we can give two values. The first value that we given like 2 pixels will be applied for this horizontal side, and the 4 pixels, the second value will be applied for the vertical side. So we have a text shadow with 2 pixels from the left side and 4 pixels from the top side. And if you want to change the color for our shadow, we can give a color name after this value like red. Here we have a red color text shadow, but the shadow is also in the full color. So if you want to give some blur for our shadow, we can give another value just after this direction value like 5 pixels. This will be applied for the blurriness of our text shadow. By using this text shadow property, let's change the color of our text to white. And let's change the value to 2 pixels, 2 pixels and 4 pixels for blur, and let's give the color black. Similarly, in this single text shadow property, we can give a multiple shadow for our single text. For giving the multiple shadow, we will separate it by comma, and again we will give the values like 4 pixels, 3 pixels, 5 pixels for blur, and let's give now red color shadow. Now we have red and black color text shadow for our H1 element. Similarly, by using this multiple text shadow value, we can create border effect for our text. Like I give 4 values for the different direction of shadow for our text, and which creates the simple border effect for our text. And along with this shadow for the text elements, we can also give the box shadow for our box element. For this, we will use a property box shadow, and for the value of this box shadow, we can use the same rule that we use in our text shadow, like 2 pixels, 4 pixels, black. Let's give the width value to 400 pixels. And let's give the margin 40 pixels and 30 pixels. And let's change the background color to yellow. And let's give some padding values. 30 pixels. Now we can also change the color for our box shadow like red or gray. And if you want to give some transparency for your box shadow, you can use the RGBA color system. By using this RGBA color system, we can give the transparency for our box shadow color. Similarly, as we done for the text shadow, let's give some multiple values for our box shadow. Now we can see that the multiple values that we given for this box shadow created a soft shadow added in the all direction of our heading box. In this way, by using this box shadow property, we can create these paper-like cars in our web pages. That's all for today. We will come back soon with new interesting session videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.